Before discuss one example for first computation, we quickly go through this rule. We already discussed this rule elaborately. We just have a look. If x is a terminal, then first of x is x itself, terminal itself. If x is tends to epsilon is a production, then add epsilon to first of x. If x is a non-terminal and x tends to y1, y2 up to yk is a production, then add first of y1 to first of x. If y1 derives some epsilon, then add first of y2 to first of x. Now let us discuss one example. Consider this grammar. This grammar is unambiguous grammar. So before doing first and follow computation, we need to check the ambiguity of the grammar. It should be unambiguous and left factoring, eliminated left factoring, eliminated left recursion. This grammar is unambiguous grammar, but this is left recursion grammar. Here E, here also E. The first symbol is E, so this left recursion. This production also left recursion. T tends to T star F or F, and this there is no left recursion here. So we have to remove for these two production. We need to remove the elimination of left recursions. We already discussed. So this is eliminated one. E tends to T E dash. E dash tends to plus T E dash or epsilon. These are the productions. Now we'll compute first of E. So first means we have to find first of all grammar symbols, all variables, non-terminal, first of E dash, first of T dash, first of F. So first let us discuss first of E. What is first of E? The first of E is we have to check in the right hand side of the production. Your right hand side of the production's first symbol. We need to check the right hand side of the production first symbol. The first symbol, whether it is a terminal or non-terminal or it's epsilon, we need to check. If it is a terminal, we write as it is. If it is epsilon, we have to write epsilon. If it is a non-terminal, then we have to find the first of this non-terminal. First of this non-terminal is F. Again, this is a non-terminal. If this is a non-terminal, according to rule 3, we discussed already the rule 3. According to rule 3, we have to find out this one. According to rule 3, is a non-terminal, then we have to find. So again, what is it? Here F. What is our first of F? First of F is for first we have two productions. One is F tends to E, another is F tends to ID. We have to add both the productions at terminals, because these are two different two productions. First has two productions, two different production. So what is the first of this production? First of this production is the terminal, open bracket, close bracket, parenthesis, all are terminal. So it is a terminal. So we have to add open bracket, as well as ID also a terminal. We have to add ID. So we have to add both open bracket. So first of F, we need your first of E is first of T. What is the first of T? Your first of T is first of F. First of F. What is first of F? First of F is open bracket, ID. The first symbol we have to check. So first we can write the first of F equal to calibrates open bracket, comma, ID. So this should be your first of E. So first of E is open bracket, comma, ID. This is your first of E. So first of E is, the first of E is open bracket ID. Then first of E dash. Come to first of E dash. See the production. What is the first of E first symbol, right hand side symbol? It has two production. One is E dash tends to plus T E dash. Another is E dash tends to epsilon. We have to include both terminals because it has two production as well as the two productions first symbol we have to include it. So E dash tends to plus T. Since plus T is a terminal, plus is a terminal, not T, plus is a terminal. The first symbol is a terminal. We have to add it. And epsilon. Epsilon also we have to include it. In the first we can include epsilon, but in the follow we should not include epsilon. This is a rule. So first of E dash is plus as well as epsilon. First of E dash is plus as well as epsilon. Now come to first of t. What is our first of t? First of t is first of f. Here f is a non-terminal, so find first of f. What is the first of f? First of f is open bracket id. We already have that, this one. So your first of t is right, first of f. What is first of f? First of f is open bracket id. We already have that one. Then come to first of t dash. What is first of t dash? The first of t dash is, see the productions. What is t dash? T dash has two productions. One is star f t dash and t dash turns to epsilon. So the first of t dash, the first symbol is a star, which is a terminal. We can directly add. And one more is epsilon. According to the rule 2, x tends to epsilon means, according to rule 2, we have to include epsilon. So we have to include the first symbol. It is a terminal, so we include directly, as well as epsilon we include directly. So your first of t dash is, the first of t dash is star as well as epsilon. So here we have to write star as well as epsilon. So now we have the first of all the productions. The first of all symbols, not production symbols. See, first of E is, see the grammar, E tends to T E dash, E dash tends to plus T E dash or epsilon, T tends to F T dash. The first of E is the first symbol, right hand side symbol, first symbol is a non-terminal. Since it is non-terminal, again we have to check its production. It gives again ft dash. F is again non-terminal, so we have to check its production, which is open bracket and id. The first symbol we have to take it open bracket id. That should be first of f, open bracket id. So first of e is first of t, first of t is first of f, first of is open bracket id. What is first of e dash? First of e dash is, here the first symbol of e dash is a terminal, so we can write terminal directly, and as well as epsilon. We have to add epsilon here. Then first of t. What is first of t? First of t is first of f, which means this f is a non-terminal. The first symbol is non-terminal. Again we have to check its production. First of f is, already we have first of f open bracket id, we can include here. Then come to t dash, first of t dash. What is first of t dash? Check the production. The first symbol of this t dash is star, which is a terminal. Directly we can write. And epsilon we have to write directly. So this is the example of first. Now we discuss follow computation. The rules for follow computations are, the first one is follow means we have to check the right hand side of the productions. Who is following? For example, x tends to a b small b. Follow of b. What is follow of b? Follow of b is who is following b. Who is following b? The right hand side of the production. Who is following b? Who is after b? After b is a small b. So right. This is follow. So follow means we have to check the right hand side of the productions. Follow of all the non-terminals. We have to check follow of all non-terminals. The first, this one is, so we'll leave this one. This is the first one. Always follow of the starting symbol is $. We have to keep here, if x is a starting symbol means, and b is another small d. If x is a starting symbol is follow of x. Follow of x is $. Include $. In the follow of x. Always follow of starting symbol is $. Then second rule. What is the second rule? If a tends to alpha b beta, then follow of b. Follow of b is follow of b. Who is following b? Beta. We cannot write beta directly. We have to write first of beta. First of beta. Except epsilon. Because in the follow we should not write epsilon. The follow should not contain any epsilon symbol. So if a tends to alpha b beta, then follow of b. Who is following b? Some beta is following b. So that first of beta should be your follow of b, except epsilon. If epsilon comes, what we have to do? If a tends to alpha b, if for beta, here there is no beta here, since it's a epsilon, then what is here? There is no, this is rule number 3, there is no beta here. So follow, who is following? Nothing is following. So nothing is, so your follow of B is follow of A. So your follow of B is follow of A. Here also we can write in capital letter. I have written. See, if A tends to alpha B, there is no beta here. Beta is epsilon. If it is epsilon here, then if our follow of B is follow of A, who is following? Nothing is following. So follow of B is follow of A. This is third rule. In case, another thing here also A tends to alpha B beta. If beta has epsilon, then the same rule will apply. What is this rule? Epsilon if you apply, then follow of B is follow of A, because nothing is there. Follow of B is follow of A. These are the 3 rules we need to follow for follow computation. The first is follow of starting symbol is $, and if A tends to alpha B beta, then follow of B is first of beta except epsilon, because your follow should not contain any epsilon symbol. If A tends to alpha B only, there is no beta symbol, nothing is following your B, means follow of A is your follow of B. Also, if beta derives some epsilon, if it is like here, if beta derives some epsilon, then follow of B is your follow of A. Now let us discuss one example for follow. We take the same grammar for first computation. The first computation grammar. Before move to example, we will have a quick look for this rule. Defined rule, follow computation. Follow of starting symbol is starting symbol, as we discussed before. If A tends to alpha B beta, then follow of B is equal to first of beta except epsilon. Third rule, if A tends to alpha B only, there is no beta here, then follow of B is your follow of A, which means whatever the follow of A should be your follow of B. Also, A tends to alpha B beta. If beta has epsilon, then beta produce epsilon, then if our follow of B is follow of A, whatever A is follow of B, the same second rule is applicable here. Now we'll discuss that example. Take the same grammar, because we have already done follow first computation, so we now do follow computation. Compute follow of E, right? Follow of E, write all the grammar symbols. Follow of T, follow of T dash, follow of F. See the grammar. This is our grammar. This is the grammar actually. This one is the grammar. So here, what is follow of E? What is follow of E? Who is following E here? As discussed earlier, we have to check the right hand side of the production where E is present in the production. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as well as 6, 7, 8 productions totally we have. So right hand side of the productions where E is present. E is present in this last production. F tends to E. Who is following E? Following E is open bracket. Open bracket is a terminal. So according to this rule, what is the rule actually? If the rule is, what is the rule? If A tends to alpha B beta, then the follow of B is first of beta. Follow of B is first of equal to first of beta. Okay, here this one, F tends to open bracket E close bracket. Here take this production. Separately we have to take the production. This is one production. That is F tends to open bracket E This is one projection. F tends to ID is another projection. Take this projection here. This is of the form A tends to alpha. Here E B. Here E is your, we are checking only for E. E is your B beta. So what is follow of E? Follow of E is first of beta. What is first of beta? First of beta is a close bracket. It is a terminal. So first of terminal is terminal itself. So here it's a close bracket. Okay. The thing is first of anything, any terminal plus is plus itself. First of open bracket is open bracket itself. First of close bracket is close bracket itself. Okay. First of star means star itself. So the first of terminal is terminal itself. So here who is following E? E is followed by open bracket, close bracket. So that should be your follow of E. Then check where E is present. Nowhere. So only this, except this projection, nowhere present. So now we have to include, since it is a starting symbol, as we discussed the first rule. If the rule, what the rule says, if it is a starting symbol, then include dollar here. Okay, include dollar. This is the first rule. The follow of starting symbol is a dollar, include dollar, as well as where the dollar is present, where the not dollar, where E is present, who is following E is close bracket, which is a terminal, directly write the terminal. Now come to follow of E dash. What is follow of E dash? Follow of E dash is check the right hand side of the projection, all projections. Here we have E. This E is followed by nothing, epsilon, which is commanded rule 2, rule number 3. That is, we commanded rule number 3. Nothing is following, and here also E is there, following by nothing, and here this 2 projection. So this is our E. Follow of E dash is, here is epsilon. So your follow of E dash is follow of E only. Here also follow of E dash is follow of E dash again follow of E only. So write follow of E dash. What is follow of E dash? Follow of E dash is here. Follow of E dash is nothing. Epsilon here, according to rule 3. Epsilon here. So write follow of E dash is follow of. The rule is, as rule says, what rule said? If A tends to, what is the rule said? A tends to alpha B. There is epsilon here. Then follow of B is follow of A. Okay, the same thing here. Follow of E dash is follow of E. So follow of E. What is our follow of E? Follow of E dash is follow of E. What is our follow of? Already we have follow of E is, what is that? Dollar. Either we can write dollar close bracket. Either way we can write dollar close bracket. Both are same only. Either open bracket dollar or dollar. Since it is starting through, we can write dollar first. Okay, then follow of T. What is follow of T? Come here. Check in the right hand side of the projection who is following T. The follower of the T is, here is T is followed by E, and here also T is followed by E dash. Not E, E dash. T is followed by E dash, and T is followed by E dash. Here T is followed by nothing. Here T is followed by nothing, epsilon. So both rule 2 and 3 are applicable. Okay. So what is follow of T? What is follow of B? Follow of B is first of beta, according to rule. Okay, according to rule. Okay. So here who is follow T? Follow of T is E dash, which is a non-terminal. If it is a terminal, we can directly write. Since it is a non-terminal, then first of E dash, we have to find first of E dash. First of E, now we need this first. First of E and all we already discussed. What is first of E dash? First of E dash is plus and epsilon. Okay, so while writing first of E dash, see here, first of E dash, follow of T is first of E dash. What is our first of E dash? First of E dash is plus as well as epsilon. But in the, according to rule, in follow there should not be any epsilon. Instead of epsilon, we have to find, it's, see, if you apply epsilon here, if you put epsilon here, why means if you put epsilon here, then again what is first of t? Your first of t is follow of e. If you put epsilon here, because this derives epsilon according to rule 3, the first of here, first of t dash, sorry, first of t is first of e dash, which has plus. Okay, e dash is plus, and it produces epsilon also. So we should not put epsilon because follow should not contain any epsilon. So if you put epsilon in this e dash, instead of e dash, if you put epsilon here, nothing is there. So only t, for t is followed by nothing. So only again follow of t is follow of e. So what is follow of e? So here we write, for this epsilon we have to write follow of e. What is follow of e? Follow of e is dollar. What is follow of e? Follow of e is dollar, this one. For epsilon, here we have epsilon, no, we should not write epsilon. For epsilon we have to find follow of e. What is follow of e? Already got e, so we have close bracket dollar. Okay, we should not put epsilon here. Instead of that epsilon only, we have found follow of e, that is it has plus close bracket comma dollar. This comma is separator, plus comma close bracket comma dollar is for first of t. Now come to this one statement. Again first of t is followed by e dash. Okay, this already we did. E dash is followed by e. Follow of e dash is follow of e. Again this first of t dash is followed by this t dash, not t dash. This there is no t here. So now come to follow of t dash. We have found for follow of t. Now come to follow of t dash. What is follow of t dash? Follow of t dash is, check the grammar, who is following t dash? The t dash is followed by nothing here. Here also t dash is followed by nothing, epsilon. So your follow of t dash is follow of t. Here follow of t dash is again t dash is follow of t. So follow of t dash is follow of t, right? Follow of t. So follow of t is, already we get follow of t, that is plus close bracket dollar. Now follow of f. What is follow of f? Who is following f here? We have to check all the protection symbols. Who is following f? T dash. So follow of t is first of t. Since it is a non-terminal, first of beta, like first of this t dash. Okay. What is so here? Follow of f is first of t dash. What is first of t dash? First of t dash. What is first of t dash? First of t dash is